I'd like to invite our first speaker who's sharing a testimonial, and we have Felicia National Commitment. We've heard from Cyberfood on their vision and the supermarkets to come together not only to...
Pulvanaka, a very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here today, and I apologize sincerely for the slight delay. We were just engaged with something with the Minister for Housing, something very important about housing. It gives me great pleasure to be here today to celebrate the second year anniversary for Cyberfood. As Fijians embrace the new norm of living in a cashless society, we have an ever-growing responsibility to serve communities that drive our Fijian businesses. As a government, we have set the direction for economic prosperity, and we want to empower Fijians with digital skills and technology, and this is to ensure that no one in this progressing virtual world is actually left behind. In essence, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government is supportive of determined businesses providing economic access and digital access for all. What started about 2 years ago has grown from a small startup offering food delivery into a company offering meals from over 25 listed restaurants with over 2,500 odd registered users. Cyberfood, ladies and gentlemen, started with one worker and one car, and today, 2 years later, the business has grown to approximately 8 workers with a fleet of 4 vehicles and 1 motorcycle in Suva and Nandi. And I'm happy to note that Cyberfood gets up to about 40 orders on average on a daily basis. Cyberfood, ladies and gentlemen, is an example of technology enabling its users, and Cyberfood has evolved to become an everyday app for consumers in Fiji. It has made it easier for all of us to order food online from the comfort of our homes or our offices, and through online food delivery services such as these, we are creating access to opportunities of empowerment and inclusiveness. Simply meaning we are laying the foundation and creating access for the various Fijian communities who have been instrumental in Cyberfood's growth over the last 2 years. As you'll appreciate, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government continues to invest significantly in digital infrastructure for businesses and Fijians to connect with each other and with the rest of the world at competitive rates. In addition, a number of business process reforms have been undertaken, and digitalization of processes is key to these particular reforms. Through initiatives such as Digital Fiji and Biz Fiji, we're actually allowing Fijians to connect digitally by bringing government services to them. During the 2020-2021 National Budget Address, the Honourable Attorney General and Minister for Economy announced the removal of business licensing. So today you can register your business name or your company and register for tax completely online. And following this, you can begin operations if your business risk categorization is low. And this process will be further improved to include FNPF and also FNU registration through one simple online step. We also allowed or improved building permit processes. The Regulation of Building Permits Act 2017 allows for a fast-track process for applications and approval of building permits. Applicants can actually access application form on bizfiji.com and lodge their application at the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport's Business Reform Unit. Ladies and gentlemen, just last week we actually launched the BPO Council of Fiji, and emphasizing our strong regional position with excellent IT and telecommunications infrastructure, noticeably strong points which enable and empower people, micro-entrepreneurs and businesses to generate sustainable livelihoods for themselves. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this government is creating an enabling environment by embracing and capitalizing on new technologies to bring about efficiencies and reduce bureaucracy in doing business. For small and medium businesses, economic access means the ability to scale and gain access to capital. In Fiji, this is particularly fundamental, given that online platforms can now unlock great economic potential for Fijians now and in the future. At this juncture, I wish to reiterate that online shopping is an emergent trend which has opened opportunities for businesses developing applications to make it easier for consumers to shop in the comfort of their homes. Cyber Food, ladies and gentlemen, has seen this opportunity, and I'm happy to announce that they'll now be expanding their delivery services to bring you groceries and also confectionery products. And what this basically means is that you can now order your groceries and confectionery products such as cakes and pastries from the comfort of your offices and your homes. Specifically also, this is really good at a time when we all know that the pandemic is still around. This evolutionary journey would not have been possible without the vendors who, with commitment and partnership, remained a part of this online platform to create a meaningful and lasting impact in our society. To Majid and the Cyber Food team, your hopes and zeal is the reason why we are gathered here today to celebrate your achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, and to the users of Cyber Food, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for having the confidence in Fiji's first online food delivery service and support at a time when COVID-19 has actually changed the entire landscape of doing business altogether. As Cyber Food completes another successful year and diversifies into new areas, I'm sure this gives confidence to those involved in the business to continue reaching new heights and to introduce innovative and creative ways of shopping in comfort. So let us create new benchmarks in the food and service delivery space, and not only do I hope, but firmly believe that we can do anything together. And we have to believe in ourselves and our partners and support each other and take our talent and energy into the right direction. Once again, I wish to congratulate Cyber Food on their second year anniversary and officially launch the grocery shopping portal. Please bear in mind, just because it's available doesn't mean you take a walk outside. Please ensure to do enough exercise also, that helps. So thank you very much, Nawalebu. Once again, congratulations.
Honorable Minister, Faiyaz Koya, Minister of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport. Distinguished guests, our loyal customers, fellow small businesses, ladies and gentlemen, Nisabullah, Namaste, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Let me begin by thanking the Honorable Minister for his official address this morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all in this fine morning, not only to celebrate with the Cyber Food family for our second anniversary, but to also be the first to hear all about our new product. We have come a long way since the Cyber Food idea started taking shape in 2017, when my son, who was then 5 years old, inspired me to start the business, because he would always ask me to order food whenever I would get home after a long day from work. After much testing in 2017, we were finally able to launch in 2018 as Fiji's first online delivery service, with only 3 restaurants joining us online at that time. And when the COVID pandemic hit our shores, we were one of the first small businesses who adopted and shared to our customers our increased hygiene practices. To our customers, we offered to deliver not only from our listed restaurants in the Cyber Food platform, but from any restaurants in Suva or Nandi. To restaurants, we offered subscription-free and then commission-free services. All of these we have done because we firmly believe that supporting each other is significant, especially at the time of crisis. As part of our COVID-19 response, we increased the number of our riders to cater for the growing number of orders, with myself including deliveries all day with the team. For the past few months, as a small businesses, we have been striving and then keeping on despite all the challenges we have faced and we are still facing. As today, on our second anniversary celebration, I am very humbled to share 3 things. Firstly, Cyber Food thanks all of you for your enduring support, because I can say that from 3 restaurants, we are now 25 restaurants signed up on our platform. Secondly, I'm also very proud to know how a growing number of hardworking customer service driven, all female cyber food team, because as a company, we believe in empowering women every day. Lastly, as a company, we believe in doing our very best to listen, respond, and innovate based on the needs of our various customers. And surprisingly, apart from local customers, we have many who live outside of Fiji who contact Cyberfood to order food, cakes, and even flowers and groceries for their families and friends here. We have often been asked if we can deliver groceries, so you ask it, and I am happy to say that we are here to deliver. Our team has been working very hard to the last few months with some supermarkets and other partners to bring our new product to you. And on behalf of Cyberfood team, I'm very excited to announce about our new online platform, which allows anyone to order groceries online. We then deliver to you and your families in Suva and Nandi. I'm especially grateful to the Honorable Minister Koya, who has granted our request most graciously and is here to launch our new product officially. Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the Cyberfood team, I extend our profound appreciation to our partners, restaurants, supermarkets, and other small businesses. And I convey our deepest gratitude to our customers, without those who support our businesses who is to exist. To all of you who are here to celebrate our journey with us, our hardship, our challenges, our growth, thank you very much.
Let's give them a round of applause. Establishment 2 years ago, so. Just to, Honorable Minister, to please click onto that for online grocery shopping. Here we go. This is where we're going to click onto where you can do the actual order. Am I correct, Masjid?
Yes.
Masjid? Meat is available. And your grocery.